light, some light.
Said she be watching all your videos. She be saying, Ruby, look, I'm subscribed.
I know, she was telling me. She one of my biggest supporters.
Hey guys, we're about to go out.
She was like, hi guys, we're walking out.
Oh yeah.
Hello guys, we're walking out.
She was so young.
This stuff is amazing. For example, period.
You guys can pick up one of these hoodies at cleanlylife.com. Link in the comment section.
I could have had a little bit more salt. It's like the juice. You just eat some fruit on the side of your meal, and that's your juice. Fruit contains water, so technically it's a beverage.
What about the 100% juice? Doesn't that mean that has water in it too?
Yeah. That's not the point.
Alright guys, so you heard the lady.
That was so good.
Yeah, too bad the camera's gonna die.
I'm leaving that in.
Where's it? No. You a strawberry? You like strawberry? Here you go.
I'm ready to take a pineapple before I eat it.
I'm about to take the biggest one. You was killing them. Here, you want a pineapple? Psych, it's mine.
You should TikTok I sent you.
Yeah, I seen that TikTok that you sent me. And then the first comment gonna say, check your phone.
Can we take a picture by the lake? Oh, this is so beautiful. I just want to sit up on it. I said, who we bringing the stroller for? Not Braylon. Who we bring that stroller for? That was so amazing and calming. I just love it out here. It's beautiful. If you haven't went outside today, go outside today. Get you some fresh air. Take your shoes off. Just feel the vibes. Like, it's amazing. So yeah, I love it. Got the birds chirping and stuff. Get a one last overview of everything.
Fly away, my way.
Fly away, my little Akuma. Would you like a piece of cheese, cracker, and grapes, my darling? Chilling in nature. I haven't seen myself without braces in like 5 years. 12:52 and I'm ending the vlog off here. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed making it. I love going out in nature. It's just so beautiful and I just absolutely love it.